So guys, support us and subscribe to our channel, give likes and write comments. Today we will read New Zealand Exploration Journey. Well, let's get started. New Zealand is a breathtaking country located in the southwestern Pacific Ocean. It is composed of two main islands, the North Island and the South Island, and several smaller islands. The country is famous for its diverse landscapes, which range from pristine beaches and rugged coastlines to majestic mountains and lush rainforests. One of the best ways to experience New Zealand is by traveling. The country offers a wide range of activities for visitors of all ages and interests. For example, on the North Island, one popular destination is the Bay of Islands, known for its crystal clear waters and abundance of marine life. Visitors can go on boat tours to see dolphins and whales, or try their hand at fishing or diving. Another must-see destination on the North Island is Rotorua, which is famous for its geothermal activity. Visitors can take a dip in one of the many hot springs or geysers, or explore the geothermal parks to learn about the unique geology of the area. The South Island is home to many natural wonders as well, including the Southern Alps, which are perfect for skiing and snowboarding in the winter and hiking and climbing in the summer. Another popular destination is Milford Sound, a beautiful fjord surrounded by steep cliffs and cascading waterfalls. Visitors can take boat cruises to see the stunning scenery up close. In addition to its natural beauty, New Zealand is also known for its friendly and welcoming people, as well as its rich Maori culture. Visitors can learn about the Maori people and their customs by visiting a maura, a traditional Maori meeting place, or attending a cultural performance. One good way to explore the Maori culture is to attend a traditional hani, a cooking method where food is placed in a peat oven. This meal is usually had at special events and is a great way to understand the Maori cuisine and customs. New Zealand also offers a variety of adventure activities like bungee jumping, zip lining, skydiving, and many more. These activities are a great way to experience the thrill and adrenaline rush. For nature enthusiasts, the country offers many national parks and hiking trails, from easy walks to challenging hikes, providing the opportunity to explore New Zealand's varied wilderness. Overall, New Zealand is a perfect destination for travelers of all ages and interests, offering a wide range of activities and experiences. If you are planning a trip to New Zealand, be sure to visit some of these popular destinations, such as the Bay of Islands, Rotorua, Southern Alps, Milford Sound, and immerse yourself in the country's stunning landscapes, rich culture, and unparalleled natural beauty. It is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that should not be missed. New Zealand is also known for its rich history, which can be explored through its many museums and historical sites. For example, the Waitangi Treaty Grounds in the Bay of Islands is the site where the Treaty of Waitangi was signed in 1840, which established British sovereignty over New Zealand and recognized the rights of the Maori people. Visitors can learn about the history of the treaty and its impact on the country through guided tours and interactive exhibits. The country's cities also offer plenty of attractions and activities for visitors. In Auckland, the largest city in New Zealand, visitors can enjoy a wide range of activities, such as taking a ferry to one of the many nearby islands, visiting the Sky Tower, the tallest freestanding structure in the southern hemisphere, or exploring the many art galleries and museums. The city of Wellington, located at the southern tip of the North Island, offers many cultural and entertainment options, such as visiting the Te Papa, the National Museum of New Zealand, which offers exhibitions of Maori culture and contemporary art, or take a cable car to the Botanic Gardens and enjoy the panoramic view of the city. For those looking for a more secluded and off-the-beaten-path experience, New Zealand's smaller towns and villages offer a more laid-back and intimate atmosphere. Places like Raglan, a small coastal town known for its surf culture, and Wanaka, a picturesque alpine village, provide the opportunity to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and enjoy the natural beauty of New Zealand at a slower pace. In conclusion, New Zealand is a country that has something to offer for every traveler, with a diverse range of landscapes, cultures, and activities to suit any interest. Whether you are looking for adventure, culture, or relaxation, New Zealand has it all. With so much to see and do, it's no wonder that it's considered one of the most beautiful countries in the world and a must-see destination for any traveler. Once upon a time, there were 3 friends named Jack, Jill, and Tim. They had always been adventurous and loved spending time outdoors. So, they decided to go on a camping trip together in the mountains. They had heard great things about the nature and the beauty of the place, and they couldn't wait to explore it. The 3 friends started planning the trip months ahead of time. They discussed different destinations, read reviews of different campsites, and made a list of all the things they would need. They packed their bags with food, camping gear, and warm clothes, and set off on their journey. As they were driving to the campsite, they saw beautiful scenery of the mountains and the forest. They were amazed by the different shades of green in the trees, the fresh smell of the pine, and the sound of the birds singing. They stopped to take pictures and admire the view. They even met some friendly locals who gave them tips and recommendations on the best places to visit. When they arrived at the campsite, They set up their tents and made a fire to cook dinner. They had brought some vegetables, meat, and spices to make a delicious stew. They told stories and laughed together as they ate, enjoying the company and the warm fire. They even played some games and sang songs under the stars. The next day, they woke up early to go on a hike to a nearby lake. They were greeted by the beautiful sunrise and the fresh air. They saw many different types of plants and animals, and even spotted a deer drinking from the lake. They stopped to take more pictures and eat a snack, enjoying the peace and quiet. They even found a small waterfall on their way back to the campsite. On the way back, it started to rain. They quickly set up a tarp to protect their gear and huddled under it, trying to stay dry. But even though they were wet and cold, they still had fun and made the best of the situation. They put on some music and danced in the rain, laughing and having a great time together. On the last day of their trip, they packed up their things and said goodbye to the beautiful mountains. They had had an amazing time, and they felt grateful for the opportunity to spend time together in such a beautiful place. They made a promise to each other to go on another camping trip soon. Maybe even in a different place next time. They had so many places they wanted to explore. As they drove home, they felt tired but happy, and already missed the adventures they had shared together. They had created memories that would last a lifetime, and they couldn't wait for their next adventure together. After their successful camping trip, Jack, Jill, and Tim couldn't wait to plan their next adventure. They talked about different options, such as hiking through the desert, exploring a national park, or even going on a road trip across the country. They were looking for new experiences and memories that they could share. Finally, they decided to go on a road trip to the Grand Canyon. They rented an RV and set off on their journey, excited to see the beautiful natural wonder. They drove through different states, stopping to visit small towns, try local food, and take pictures of the scenery. They met many friendly people and had the opportunity to learn about the culture and history of the places they visited. When they arrived at the Grand Canyon, they were awestruck by the size and beauty of the canyon. They hiked along the rim and even went on a guided tour to learn more about the history and geology of the area. They watched the sunset and the sunrise and even camped overnight near the canyon. They were amazed by the colors of the rocks and the different shades of the sky. It was a truly unique and beautiful experience. After leaving the Grand Canyon, they continued their road trip and visited different national parks and landmarks. they saw the towering red rocks of Sedona, the unique rock formations of Bryce Canyon, and even went on a hot air balloon right over the Sonoran Desert. They saw landscapes that they had never seen before, and they couldn't help but feel grateful for the opportunity to explore such beautiful places. As they continued their journey, they also had a chance to try different types of activities like kayaking, horseback riding, and even rock climbing. They were able to challenge themselves and push their limits. They felt alive and free. They had a sense of accomplishment, and they felt like they were truly living. After a few weeks of traveling, they returned home, tired but happy, and filled with memories and stories to share. They had experienced so much together and had made even more memories that would last a lifetime. They had grown as friends and as individuals, and they felt a strong bond between them. They knew that this was just the beginning of their adventures together, and they couldn't wait to see where their next trip would take them. Whether it was camping in the mountains, hiking in a desert, or exploring a new city, they knew that they would always have each other by their side, making the journey even more special. They were excited about the future and the many more adventures that lay ahead. Thank you! Learn English with us easily and fun. Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Watch new videos on our channel every day. See you soon and bye-bye.